Zarat prank. Nang ano?
Nang baril-baril.
Mamaya na.
Anong sabi mo?
Hindi, mamaya. Nadabili nyo na yung alak ko?
Oo.
Ah, sige.
309. Dalawa, isa sila.
Ano ba yung pinabake? Tinapay?
Saan sa'yo, Mala? Gusto mo ba?
Ano yan?
Ito eh. Ano yun? Ay! Putang!
That is cool. Don't move. I can see something. Don't move your fingers. You look at your hand. Slowly, don't rush. Can you see the milk tea? Ano yung mga gamit doon, ma'am, na nasa envelope?
Nasaan?
Ayun, yun nasa may lamesa doon.
Ano na mesa? Dapat kukunin. Lahat yun.
Ah, okay.
Asan?
Hindi. Okay na. Gawin mo na yung check. Sige na.
Ito na.
Ano siya nasa check na yan?
Ha?
Ano yung nasa check eh?
Ito, meral ko.
Yung hawak mo!
Ha?
Ano yung hawak mo? Hinuwak mo!
Anyway, late na rin yan.
Oo.
Sa
Black hat? Maganda ba itong black hat?
Hindi masyado. Parang ano siya.
late na rin yan.
Ay, hindi maganda.
Ito?
Hindi siya lang. Ay, putak mo na. Putak mo.
Oh, never mind. Okay. Tito Arvin's coming.
Why?
Sam Yup and then drop off the guns.
Guns?
He has new guns.
Really?
Yeah, he bought from Carter. Yeah. Get it na.
What a shocker, you're late.
Come on, give me a break. I'm putting a case together.
Right, like I'm not working a case too. Oh yeah, the one you tried to steal from me.
You mean the open and shut? You did open and shut, right?
You're being diligent, man. It's a high-profile case.
Exactly, which is why you need to be smart about it. She is smart. You're the dimples. Perhaps you should refrain from arguing in front of the child. Some of it coming. I don't know whether to laugh or to shoot. Surprise me.
Isn't it funny, Daddy?
Hey, you drop tricks at Reynolds. You gotta go. Thank you. Tricks, I'll let you know.
You saw that, you know, when we FaceTime before. Is it cool? You said you wanted to borrow this. You wanted to borrow it. Is it cool? That's my Halloween. Were you surprised? Let's put it on the video. I video you.